Okay, today we will see about warm-up exercise about English MCQs related to airport security force for the test of inspector. So first of all, first question is Nadra data show that the number of citizens receiving welfare again last year, even though as economic slowdown pushed more people into so recited beggary, reduced affluence, jumped subservience, tripled pauperism, declined poverty. So Nadra data show that the number of citizens receiving welfare declined. This is contrast sentence. First of in first part of sentence, this he is saying that Nadra data show that the number of citizens receiving welfare declined. Option E is correct. Again, last year even shows contrast. Even shows some negative or another part of sentence which shows contrast, though even though an economic slowdown pushed more people into poverty. So option E is the correct option for this sentence. This is reason even though signals that there is a contrast from one part of the sentence to the another. The appropriate contrast, and economic slowdown cannot push people into the affluence or subservience. Option 2 is Karachi teachers received the third largest salary hike in the country last year, but shows negative part. Still did not move up in the national competition readings, ratings, ratings or rankings. So option E is correct, ratings. There is no national competition for salaries. Choice B and C are irrelevant. Ratings are usually applied to a subjective quality, not to a fact. Option 3 is despite signal of a truce, the country's dilemma remains: should they let the North country remain autonomous, or should they conquer it free, or should they self-governing it independent, or should they separated it coiled, should they annexed it subordinate subvenient. So option A is best option for despite signal of a truce, the economy dilemma remains: should they let the North country remain autonomous, or should they conquer it? So this is the simple option. This is explanation. The word or sentence signals that what is on either side of the word must be different option. Only A presents two different options. So option 4 is as the last slice of Arabian coastal plain bordering the continent's vast equatorial rainforests. The region known as the Gwadar is a biologically uh, mosaic of the forests, savannas, lagoons, lakes, and beaches that until recently was virtually unknown to the science. As the last underdeveloped, as the last uncharted, examined, as the last undeveloped. So undeveloped is best option. As the last undeveloped slice of Arabian coastal plain bordering the continent's vast equatorial rainforests, the region known as the Gwadar is a biologically rich mosaic of forests, savannas, lagoons, lakes, and beaches that until recently was virtually unknown to the science. So D is the correct option for this question. Choice C and E are unidiomatic. Following last broken mosaic is logical as a description of rests etc. So 5 is Shamim Durrani has expressed his hope that the project can raise relay Mount Foster or Booster. That is project can relay support for conserving the Pirowal forests. To B is forests. So B is the correct option. The relay sports is an idiomatic expression. 6 is the term conservation. Why this is correct? Because relay sport. Shamim Durrani has expressed his hope that the project can relay sports. This is idiom. So idiomatic expression is correct option for this question. The term conservationist has been defined by some as a person who is conservative or conservationist is a person who believes that the natural world is endlessly and beautiful and therefore as much of it as possible should be irrational, preserved, abhorrent, salvaged, fascinated, saved. I think a conservative person is a person which is a believer of nature. So he believes that everything which is part of nature is a fascinated and very good and saved. The best response is C. Because the blank appears before and beautiful, one can expect it to be filled with something positive. The end therefore indicates that the second blank should also be positive. Only C, D, E and E have two positive choices, and of them only C contains two words that are appropriate to describe the natural world. So option 7 is temporary power lines and data cables huddled around laptops and editing equipment. Journalists and technicians were out news to many outputs. So for 7, if we compare among temporary powers, among can also be the option, or amid can also be the answer, but second among option A and option E are correct, but burning and churning will show the good option for this question. Temporary power among or amid temporary powers lines and data cables huddled around equipments. Journalists and technicians were churning out. We can say that E is the correct option because burning out is not fitting here. So churning out news to many outputs. So option 8 is although and despite must the precede clause is not noun phrases amid and among are both reasonable choices. Churning out however it is idiomatic while burning out it's not. So option 8 is the country is regional anomaly powerhouse. Option A is correct. The country is a regional anomaly, an absolute but highly dynamic monarchy that has created an economic powerhouse out of little more than vision, geography, and will. So this is the correct option for this question. Synchronicity and discrepancy have to relate to two or more things. Discrepancy between x and y, that is not the case here. Out of the little more indicates that is something was made out of next to nothing, which is only remarkable if what was created was positive, such as economic powerhouse. Option 9 is the editor found here in option 8 there are synchronicity and discrepancy have to be related to two or more things. These are anomaly related with one thing. So synchronicity and discrepancy are not good option for here. The editor found the article so positive, comical, improbable, indecisive, interesting. The work of editor is responsible for his writings. So the editor found the article so improbable. Option C is correct. That hesitant to print them. Printing something that is untrue would reflect negatively on the editor, so he hesitated to print the articles because they were improbable. The answer is C. Indecisive could also be the reason that editor hesitated to print the article, but improbable is a stronger reason not to publish an article. One of the jobs of an editor is to verify the truth of an article. Publishing false material could subject to the editor to the ridicule or even legal action. So option 10 and last option, children not only provide cheap labor but they are also impermanent, facile, presumptuous, hesitant or docile. Docile as they do not complain about mental tension given to them or about harsh treatment. So this docile comes into the meaning of this is decisive. So children not only provide cheap labor but they are also docile as they do not complain about mental tension given to them or about harsh treatment. The best option is E, docile. The word as in the sentence indicate that the missing word is explained or defined by a clause that follows it. They do not complain about manual course given to them or about harsh treatment meted out. This aptly describes a docile person. Docile, you can say, a person which is so this is our exercise. So next is also exercise, so we will discuss in next section.